Hey guys, you may wonder why I'm standing in the bathroom right now, but I'm going to be doing a simple demonstration of this Sprayway World's Best Glass Cleaner. Check this out, foaming action, ammonia-free, streak-free shine, and of course, a clean, fresh scent. I mean, no one's going to want to buy it if it says it smells like crap, right? So I'm just going to maybe clean the mirror here in the bathroom, and this stuff I got Meyer for about $2. I like all the foamy sprays are the best. It's got a big nozzle on this one as well, which is nice. The foamy sprays work best, much better than Windex. You can use Stoner glass, Invisiglass, or you can use 3M glass cleaner. So I got this and try it out. You can also use it for vehicles, safe on tinted windows, etc., etc. So we'll give it a shot. Give it a little shakeroo, and here we go. Look at that. Look at that. That took, what, half a second to spray that? Look at the wide path on that thing. That's crazy. Okay, so now I got a microfiber towel. And I'm doing this with my left hand, so I'm not left-handed, but just give it a shot. I mean, it's glass cleaner. What else is there to review about it? It works, right? And that's that. It's clean. Oh, I missed a spot. Bam. Get the other side. Okay, and that's it. It's clean. It works well. Again, you want to buy the foamy sprays. This is nice because it's got a large handle on it, or nozzle I should say. Works good. It goes a long ways. And streak free. It's clean. So it does a trick. Great product at a cheap price. Always use those microfiber towels. Those work the best. Again, thanks for liking this video. Be sure to like it below, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product reviews. Thanks guys.